Hi, it's Sasha from HomeDesignsAI. In this tutorial, we'll explore the action image buttons under the generations right here. So we have four different types of action image buttons. First up is the download button. This allows you to save the generations directly to your device. Second button right here allows you to enlarge the generation. So by dragging this, you can actually see the before and after. I love this because it's super easy to see any changes made by the AI. Now moving on to the edit button. So this button allows you to edit any design. Once you click on it, you'll unlock 13 powerful tools to transform and modify and enhance your designs. Let's talk about a few. One of our most popular and exciting features is the redesign mode. So this mode enables you to transform any space in seconds. Whether you're looking for a beautiful redesign or something more bolder, you can use our creative redesign mode, generating you new concepts and layouts in seconds. It's perfect for finding inspiration. Next, we have Precision Plus, a tool for those who want greater control over their design. You can adjust specific elements while keeping the rest of the room intact. Next, we have fill spaces, so you can populate any empty room with furniture and decor in seconds. There's even a decor staging tool. This feature stages items in lifelike environments, offering a captivating preview of what your items will look like in any outdoor or indoor space. Next, we have the colors and texture tool, allowing you to change the colors and materials of any furniture, walls, or floors. We also have a paint visualizer tool to help you experiment with different shades of colors for your walls. And you can easily clear out any unwanted items with our furniture removal tool. Once you finalize your design, you can use our furniture find out tool. This will identify the furniture in your design and provide you with direct purchase links. And for outdoor designs, you can enhance them easily with our sky color changer. Choose from 10 different modes to enhance your skies. And the final button is the HD button. So not only will this improve the resolution of the generation, but it will also finalize it by giving it the finishing touches it needs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, our support team is here to help. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials on detailed breakdowns of the different modes available on HomeDesignsAI.